managed to get a rip in the Kuiu Chugach jacket after 5 years, so I'm going to repair it. So I've pulled it tight lengthways, and then I've put this tenacious tape over the top of it. So there's the rip there, and we're just going to apply some Aquasil now. Just put it across there, just smear it in and let it dry. So just put a job on there of Aquasil and just rub it in. Just smooth it out with a toothpick. So it's smoothed out a little bit and covers the cut nicely. We'll leave that for 12 hours. We'll come back and take the tenacious tape off the back and see if it's sealed up the crack and holding the material together well.